Today we're going to review a fish tank home, and this is perfect. If you guys recognize it, it's Frodo's house from Lord of the Rings. And if you can see in the center, it has the doorway entrance and the hill mounted with the moss on the top. This is beautiful. Very detailed setup. If you guys can see that, well painted, ready for your fish tank. If you guys can see, it's well silicone in there, well secure, so no chemicals or paint will be running around the water. It's really good. Plenty of room for fishes to go in and out, especially if you have fishes that like the dark area, like catfishes, or even your fighting fish, you know, your coil fishes that go into little areas, nooks and crannies. This is perfect. We're gonna set this up in a large fish tank. This is perfect, ideal for anything over eight a gallon tank, fish tank. Anything smaller, it's gonna take on your whole gallon, your whole tank. So the size of this is about, from one point to another, it's about close to 10 inches. It's 9.5 by 6 inches. All right, so it's a little large for it has to be a larger fish tank, if you guys can see, but beautiful details, the trees, the doorways, the entrance. And this is fragile, so be careful. And while you're putting it in there, make sure you set it up, and then you can add real grass in there, real trees, real branches, to make it look, even aesthetics look cleaner. So very simple, easy to use. Let's put it to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.